No, everything clean as you said. Oh, a bit of...
Aha! You have cats.
Yes, we have 2 cats, Persians. You like cats?
Oh, yes, very much. Deep fried with sweet and sour sauce. Very good.
Kollox jiklu daddemel. Nifemni kważi bella bil-Malta, sa bażew ġietades. Yes.
You have big problem, my friend.
What problem? His Excellency.
What is this?
Clean cat litter.
Okay.
Yes.
And where is the shit?
If it's not there, it's in the belly of the cat.
No. The shit is on the floor.
Oh, mistake.
You know what that means?
That
When shit is on the floor,
cat did mistake.
no,
There.
no, 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 no. Cat is not happy.
Oh, cat's not happy.
Because if cat happy, he put the shit in the cat litter.
Mela s-sinjuri qed jipprova jfehmna li meta l-qattus ma jkunx kuntent jaħra barra mill-cat litter. Imnalla ma jagħmlux in-nies għax kieku quddiem Kastilja kollu ħarra.
You know what you need? You need feng shui.
Feng shui.
No, no, no. Feng shui.
Feng shui.
No, no, feng shui.
Feng shui.
No, 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 no. It's a let me show you. Feng shui. Feng shui. It's when in China you put the house exactly aligned with the Chinese gods.
Yes, we did that. It's Mater Dei.
You Mata Desh?
Yes, that's
Feng
what-
shui?
Not exactly, not feng shui.
No.
For the concrete, we did shui.
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 Very interesting.
Yes, shui.
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 Shui. Il-kultura ċiniża hija kultura sabiħa ħafna, kultura mżewqa, għandhom l-ekonomija, għandhom l-ikel, għandhom il-kultura u kollox ovvjament made in China.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, everything made in China. Babies, no.
It-trabi mhumiex magħmulin fiċ-Ċina.
Babies made in vagina.
No, it's mistake. For how long have you been in? For how long have you been in Malta?
I have been in Malta for 2 years in the Malta government of Labour Party.
Mela ilu hawnhekk sentej kemm ilu l-Labor fil-gvern, you have Maltese passport? I'm speaking in English, I don't know.
Oh, okay. Yes, I have a I pay, yeah, I pay, but I have
Signori,
Maltese passport.
Wieħed milli qalilna Joseph Muscat talent ta' 600,000 euro li ġew 600,000 euro you paid, right?
No.
No.
No. I only paid 100 euro. I have friend at Identity Malta. I have a passport for Malta, Arabia, and even Algeria. Now I have a very important appointment because
Okay.
I have to meet Miss Sai Mitzi.
We know, Saimitzi, we know. She's the Maltese China connector. No.
No, I scratch my feet. Okay, shall we start with the proverb, please?
Yes, please, signori. Issa il-proverbju li tant iħobbu n-nies u ħajdu bl-Inglis. U jena ħanamlu bil-Malti. If you please?
Hi, please.
You please.
1.
Meta,
No, it's other hand. Other hand.
meta
A man
raġel
puts
ipoġġi
the very strange language Maltese. Hand
idejh
in. You have a word which goes in
fil
pocket
boot
he feels foolish.
Iħossu iblaħ.
One,
Meta
a man,
raġel
he puts
ipoġġi
the hand
dejh
in the pocket
fil-but
with a hole.
bit-toqba
He feels
iħoss
the nuts.
il-bajt.
Oh.
Yes.
No. I in Malta for 2 years and I know bite. Bite is eggs.
Yes, but
No.
but when you say those, you say bite. Nuts in Maltese, it's something else. It's Joe's.
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 Oh, Joe's. Like Joe's Muscat. Yeah. Okay. Oh, very interesting language, Maltese. I learn bit by bit. What you call...
It's not.
what you say?
It's very rude, you know. To
No, it's okay, we friends.
I don't know.
What you say?
Hey, shut your door.
What?
Tell him.
What?
Hey, Lueya. That.
Turtle. Looks like Chinese, huh? Turtle. Oh, very good. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. Driver, let's go. I talk Maltese. Driver! You driver! Bell bite.
Go there, jump
Let's
in.
go. Driver! You stop me pharmacy? Because I need to turn down to clean my mouth. Come on!
Signore Coslo!